My name is Sana Patel. I am dealing with the computation of taxable income of a company with special reference to MAT. First, we see the MAT introduction. MAT means minimum alternative tax. Introduction about the objective behind MAT or minimum alternative tax is to facilitate taxation of zero tax companies by making such companies liable to pay a minimum tax based on their book profit. This form of tax is applicable to all companies, including foreign companies that have established their presence in India. MAT is a tax levied under Section 1115 JB of the Income Tax Act 1961. It was first introduced by the Finance Act 1987 and made effective from assessment year 1988 to 1989. Later, it was withdrawn by the Finance Act 1990 but reintroduced again from 1st April 1997. Let's see the meaning. What is MAT? MAT. MAT or minimum alternative tax is a provision in direct tax laws to limit tax exemption availed by companies so that the Mediterranean pay a minimum amount of tax the government. As per Section 1115 JB, all companies are required to pay a corporate tax. As per the concept of the MAT, the tax liability of a company will be higher of the following two provisions. First is tax liability compute the as per normal provision of the income tax law 30% tax rate plus education success and surcharge as applicable, and second provision is the tax computed as per the MAT provision on the book profit 18.5% tax rate plus surcharge and education success as applicable. Next we see the which companies are liable to pay a MAT. All companies, whether private or public, irrespective of whether Indian or foreign, are liable to pay MAT. If income tax payable including success and surcharge as the per provision of Income Tax Act is less than 15% of the book profit plus success and surcharge. Exemptions. MAT is not applicable to any income received by a company from life insurance business and shipping income liable to tonnage taxation. The tonnage taxation system is covered under Section 1115V to 1150VZC of the Income Tax Act 1961. Let's see the calculation of the MAT. MAT is calculated at 15% of the book profit as per Section 1115 JB of Income Tax Act 1961. All companies are required to pay corporate tax based on which higher of the following are normal tax liability and minimum alternative tax. Normal tax liability tax computed as per the normal provisions of the income tax law, that is by applying the relevant tax rate to the taxable income of the company. And second one is minimum alternative tax, MAT, tax computed at 15%, previously it is 18.5%, and on book profit plus success and surcharge. Next we see the calculation of the book profit. As per Section 1115 JB subsection 2, book profit means net profit in the statement of profit and loss prepared in accordance with Schedule 3 of the Companies Act 2013. A number of cost or income are considered along with the profit and loss statement when calculating the book profit of a company. The following are some of the major ones. Those are addition to the net profit if debited to the profit and loss account, and second one is deletion to the net profit if credited to the profit and loss account. In addition to the net profit, income tax paid or payable if any calculation as per normal provision of the income tax is addition to the net profit because it is debited to the profit and loss account, and transfer made to any reserve and dividend proposed or paid, these are also addition to the net profit because these are also debited to the profit and loss account. Next, deletion to the net profit amount withdrawn from any reserve or provision. It is the deletion to the net profit because these are the credited to the profit and loss account, and the amount of income to which any of provisions of the section 10, 11 and 12 exempted to 10AA and 10 subsection 38 applies, and third one is amount of the deferred tax is any such amount is credited in the profit and loss account. These two are the also deletion to the net profit because these are the credited to the profit and loss account. Next, we lastly see the what is MAT credit. MAT credit, as discussed earlier, a company is liable to pay the higher of the normal tax liability calculation on the total taxable income and MAT calculation on the profit. When MAT for a company is greater than its normal tax liability, the difference between the MAT and normal tax liability is called credit. We have to and the formula of the MAT credit is amount of MAT credit equal to MAT minus normal tax liability. These are the short brief about the MAT. Thank you.